Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. I was just sent this beast of a leaf blower. This thing is absolutely huge, but you know what? It's extremely lightweight. This whole thing only weighs 3.8 pounds, and you can tell when you pick it up, it's built pretty well. Brushless motor, I'm excited to give that a try. A couple of neat features that I like, several of them actually. One, comes with two of these large lithium battery packs, which is great. They've got indicators, easily show how much charge you've got on there. They're high capacity, and it does come with the charger, which is fantastic. Easy to load that in there. Turn on. Now, you can use it like this even, or I like the fact that they provide you with this little stub nose. You can use that on there if you're going to be working around the shop, whatnot. You can easily turn that on. I mean, that was on low setting. I mean, this thing will blow 980 CFMs, which is fantastic. Only an installation required was to put on this base piece so that it can set up on its own. I don't know that it's even necessarily required, but it's nice that it can do that. You also do have this convenient strap that they provide that easily can latch onto here as well as on the back side. So if you're out going to be blowing a long driveway, you have the ability to keep this over your shoulder or do crossbody so that you can hold onto that, take that 3.8 pounds off of your arms. You got this part here, it's an extension tube, simply locks into place. This lines up right over the top notch there. Locks into place. Now you've got the full extension and power of the blow. Let's get out there and we'll test it out. You've got, looks like 5 separate modes, turbo mode. This is going to be really neat. And the fact the backside of this, so this is huge to me. The backside of this intake on this is this huge grill grate. Some of these have a really small intake on the back and they get one leaf that covers them up and they're done. You got to shut them off, scrape off the grass, scrape off the leaf. This is a huge grill intake on the back. You're not going to have that problem. Did come with a screwdriver to put anything together. Let's go out and give her a blow. So now I'm outside. Let me tell you, this thing is extremely lightweight. I cannot express enough how lightweight that this is. Loving the fact that it's got those batteries, shoulder strap, whenever you're out there ready to go. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and use the full length of this thing here. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It's relatively quiet, even on low setting, and it's easily gonna blow. I mean, that's already blowing a ton of stuff, but you can crank this thing up. I mean, this is blowing some air. This will make short work. It's even got this turbo button that you can press and hold when it's on. So I'll turn on low, you press and hold. It gives you that turbo boost. I mean, that's almost 1,000 CFMs. And again, super lightweight. This is gonna work great in anybody's yard.